Hi dolls, it's Roxy. So today I am super excited to bring to you a living room redo, I would say, on a budget. Now, I was redoing my living room and I said, you know what, why not share with you guys some tips that I have. A lot of the little decor pieces that I got, I did get them from Nordstrom. This is not a sponsored video. You guys just know I'm obsessed with Nordstrom. And I did get them during their anniversary sale, so I did get a lot of good things on sale. So yeah, also let me know if you guys want to see, we're kind of doing a lot of remodeling in our house. So if you guys want to see like a series on, you know, how we're kind of remodeling our home, then let me know down in the comments, and then let me know what you guys want to call this series. I don't know, like house to home or home remodel. I don't know. You guys let me know down in the comments below. I have Leela here. I was just nursing her and now she has the hiccups. So I gotta take care of that. But let me know if you guys, want to see that. And I will see you guys later. Bye. Say bye, Leela. No? Okay. Bye.
All right, so first things first, we want to start by removing everything, whether that's your mantle, your coffee table, your entry table. We want to put everything aside. Step number 2, we want to choose our color palette. You want to choose 3 to 4 colors and stick to that theme. You could also intermix the things that you already removed, but you don't want to add too many colors at once. Next, we want to visualize where things are going to be placed. So if you have a big mantle, you want to have something that's going to anchor it down, and then weight on the sides and filler objects in between. Step 4, I'm going to start placing my items on the mantle, keeping step 3 in mind. Now, I'm mixing a lot of my old and new items together to create something amazing, I hope. Now, once you lay everything out, you want to step back and take a picture. Take a picture so you can see it on your phone and see if you like how everything is leveled, and see if you need some filler or something bigger. Taking a picture is just going to help you visualize it better and see it from a distance. All right, so I must have redecorated this mantle like 100 times because I wasn't liking the way it was coming out. But I promise you guys, if you use these tips, it will just help you guys create the perfect space. So if you guys are curious how I got all my books to look the same and be cohesive with one another, I just covered them with butcher paper, and you guys can look up tutorials online basically. So now I'm balancing out the mantle with the same amount of books on each side from the left and the right, and then the filler that I have in between is basically the same height as each other on the right and left, and then the weight is the same height as each other. And then another tip that I have is, if you guys buy new items or new pieces, don't take off the tags until you finalize what you're going to use. That way you can return it if you don't use it at the end.
intro really fast? Really fast, really fast? Huh? No? She doesn't want to. No. Really fast? Yes? Yes? Yeah, princesa. Hashtag mom life for real.